In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Confluence page to Jira. First, let's open Confluence and start a new page. Head to your browser and go to start.atlassian.com, then sign in if you're prompted to do so. Once you're in, look at the Atlassian product list and click your Confluence site, or simply click Confluence to enter the workspace. Now, look to the upper right-hand corner and click the Create button. If a template picker opens up on your screen, just click Page to start with a blank one. Click the page title field at the top of the editor so your cursor lands inside it. For the title, go ahead and type API Error Handling Checklist. Next, click the blank body area right under the title. Here I'll add a short intro sentence, so type, "Use this checklist when a new API error needs investigation before release." Now let's create the Jira work item that we'll link to. Open a new browser tab and head back to start.atlassian.com. From the Atlassian product list, click your Jira site or click Jira to open it up. At the top navigation, click the Create button to open a new work item form. For the space field, leave it as My Software Team, also shown as Dev, or whatever your space name is. Leave the work type set to Task. Now click the Summary field to place your cursor in it, and type the task summary, which in this case is API Error Handling Checklist. Next, click the Description field to move your cursor there. For the description, type, "Link the Confluence checklist" so developers can open the documentation from this Jira work item. Leave all the other fields exactly as they are. Then click Create at the bottom of the form. Next, let's copy the Jira work item link. Open the new work item if Jira does not open it automatically for you. Look to the upper right-hand corner of the work item and click on the Share icon. A drop-down will appear, and from there, click on Copy Link to copy the work item's URL to your clipboard. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's paste the Jira link into the Confluence page. Switch back to the Confluence page draft tab you had open earlier. Click on a blank line directly under the intro sentence. Here you'll add a label for the linked work item, so type Related Jira Work Item, followed by a colon. Now paste the copied Jira link onto the page. Wait a moment for Confluence to turn that pasted URL into a Jira Smart Link, which will display the work item key, the summary, and the current status. Once the Smart Link appears, click on it once to select it. If display options appear, click Card so that the Jira status stays visible right there on the page. Next, let's publish the page and verify the link works. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Confluence editor to make your page live. Once the page is published, click the Jira Smart Link directly on the published page. If a preview panel opens up on the side, click Open in Jira inside that panel to jump to the work item. Take a moment to confirm that the Jira work item opens up and matches the summary you saw on the Confluence Smart Link. After confirming, go back to the Confluence Page tab in your browser. Confirm that the page still shows the Jira Smart Link sitting under the intro sentence, just as you set it up. The Confluence page now contains a Jira Smart Link for the work item, and that Smart Link shows the Jira key, the summary, and the current status. Opening the link takes you directly from the Confluence documentation page straight to the matching Jira work item. Congratulations! You've successfully linked a Confluence page to Jira,